What I like best about the program is that it's very hands-on. We learned how to read maps, landscapes, and natural parks. We do flower arrangements. I get to learn about dirt and bugs and trees and insects, and I get to just become more aware of the world around me. The teacher supports us in learning in our own ways, and that with that freedom, we get to expand and express our own ways of thinking and learning.
Yeah, it's really fun to get your hands dirty. You're straight up going into worm buckets or going into the butterfly garden. We have a leopard gecko, a corn snake, bearded dragon. I learned about conservation, about keeping plants alive, as well as learning different things about the earth itself.